is start with a letter E.
Can you show me what you drew?
Yes, because we're both turning it to see.
Can you read it?
Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, T, U, V. No, but now we're just saying T-U. T-U.
What happened to W?
She messed up with W.
Oh, is there a W on there?
No.
Is there an X on there?
No. We haven't got up to the X yet. There's not so much room on my paper for X.